Read this one. They will tell you total. Okay, they will tell you total. If not, it will be here. It will be the highest point of your graph. Okay, so next, first question, they say find the median weight. Out of your 100%, you need to find 50%.
What are you doing?
Of the quiz. The quiz, do you get back? If you never get back, means you never hand in that day. The quiz the quiz we did in class that day. So median is 50%. So it just so happen is the 50th person. So you go to your graph and read at the 50th mark. Okay, what is that person's marks? So if you read properly and carefully, it will be at 58. It is quite accurate.
No, why?
What? I can see from here.
How to count? Then some of numbers will be off.
No, you read as accurate as you can. So 58 kg, one box is 1 kg. Do you hand in? That's all I have. I have Fikri, Justin, Yoon, Haya, Rebecca. I don't have yours, means that day you never hand in. On the floor. Okay, next one. Shh. Kiran, are you learning? It's not that I don't want to allow you all to sit where you want, but I don't trust your choice sometimes. Okay, next one. Number of students who weigh more than 51 kg. So you go to your graph, read the 51 kg mark, which is here. So 51 kg is over here. If you read carefully, it is at this mark. Okay, but if you give me 30, you are wrong, because 30 of them are 51 kg and below. I want more than. So meaning I want the top part of the graph. So this is the marking I want. So it's 100 minus the 30 of them. So 70 students. Okay, if you give me 71, I will still accept it. That means you found this to be 29. Then you give me this 71. I think the reading I can accept. Okay? 70, 71, I accept both. Okay, so make sure you are not too far away. Okay, next one I want. Okay, is this. Okay, this one you need to understand what it's trying to say. Okay, this thing here is the same as this. It's like as if they drew this like this. So the minimum value is 35 kg. So x1 no problem, it must be 35. This one must be your quarter one. Quarter one is your 25% of your data. So out of 100 people, you need to go and read the 25%. Okay, the 25th person, what is the weight? So if you go and read your diagram, 25 is somewhere in the middle here. 2.5 box. So somewhere in the middle. So if you switch it around, okay, you will get 49. If you give me 48.5, I also accepted it. So your x2, anything from 48.5 or 49, I accepted both the answer. But if you give me 53, too much. 63, even worse. Okay? Next one is x3. This one is the median. So it's the same answer as what you found here. So it's just 58 kg. Okay, last one. This one is the upper quartile, which is Q3. which is 75% of your 100%. So you go and read at the 75% mark. So 75 is roughly here lah. Okay, go and read your reading. It should land quite nicely at 63. So the last marking here is 63 kg. Every 2 correct answer is 1 mark. So if you only have 1, got 0. So this 4 answer you get here is, this one can be 48.5 or 49. This one is 58 and this one is 63. So the 4 answer, every 2 correct is 1 mark. 44? For which one? 44, 2 off already. No.
Why ah?
2 off. I'm here leh. 44 is here leh. So far away. My marking is here leh. 40? It's still far away. 48.5, okay. This is 25. Here, this part. 49, clearly. How can you be at 44? 25. That's why. Cannot be so far off one. Okay, next one. I want the student to weigh more than 45 kg but less than 60. So I want from here to here. This group of people. I want this group of students. So if I read carefully, this 60, oh no, 60 is a bit more. 60 is until here. So where are the students at the 45 mark? I have a 16 here. Okay, all the way to my 60 mark here. So the group of students that weigh more than 45 to less than 60, it's 60 minus 16 of them. So I have 44 of them in this weight range. So what is the probability that I pick a student out of the 100 to be in this weight range? Is 44 out of 100. But this one is not the simplest form, so I cannot accept this answer. You must give me 11 out of 25, or you give me 0.44. You go and read the marking from here to here. The 45 kg to 60. And it's from 16 to 60. So there's 44 of them in this weight range. So I want to pick from this 44, okay, out of the whole pool of 100 of them. So my chance of picking a student in this weight range is 44 out of 100. Sailesh and Jamil too happy, too happy. Expel one of them. Sailesh, one more time. Oh, okay. The people that are in this weight range is from 45 kg to 60. I want to pick a student from this category. So if I read this is at the 16%, this is at the 60. So in this group, I have 44 of them out of my total of 100. So my chance is 44 out of 100. Okay, next one is I want to pick from the group that weighs more than 70 kg. That means I want to pick the student from here. Okay, I want to pick the group from here. So if I read carefully this one, this marking is at the 90 student mark. But how many students falls in this range? Okay, how many students fall in this weight range? It is 10 of them only because it's between the 90 and 100. So there's only 10 students here that weighs more than 70 kg. So I want to pick 2 of them. So the first student I pick more than 70 kg is 10 out of 100 of them. Okay, the second student I'm going to pick cannot be the same as the first student, right? So my total now is out of 99 students because I already picked one out. Now I only have 99 to choose from. And how many more were more than 70 kg? I already picked one from this 10. I'm only left with 9 to choose from. So 9 out of 99. So how to pick two students with more than 70 kg is 10 out of 100 times 9 out of 99. So my answer is 110. Okay, so this is my answer. Okay, next, I want to pick the student who is less than 47 kg. So if I read carefully, there's 20 of them. Here, there's 20 of them here. So I have 20 students who weigh less than 47 kg. Kiran, warning. Okay, next one. More than 62 kg should be somewhere here. From here onwards. So from here onwards. All these are more than 62 kg. So if I go and read from this marking here, 62 kg is this marking here. At the 70 mark. So between 70 to 100, there's 30 of them. So in this yellow zone, I have 30 of them who weigh more than 62 kg. So I'm picking from this pool of people. So I look at my choices. First, I want to pick a student who weigh less than 47 kg. Ayo, why my pen so thick? So weigh less than 47 kg. And my choice is out of 100 of them, I can pick 20 of them. So this is my option. And then I want the second student to weigh more than 62 kg. I don't need to draw all the branches. So now I only have 99 to choose from. Because I picked one student already. But how many of them is more than 30 kg? Or more than 62 kg? How many of them? 30. So this one no need to reduce by 1 because the first student I picked is not more than 62 kg. It's a different student. So this one starts from 30 out of 99. Okay, so this is one option. Is 20 out of 100 times 30 out of 99. But I have another branch I can consider. That means if the first student I pick is the more than 62 kg one. So it's 30 out of 100 of them. And then the second one I pick is the less than 47 kg one. So out of 99 students to choose from, I have 20 options. So this is my second possible answer. So I need to add up these two because this means I have one of each weight. But it can be this person first or second choice. So you should get your answer as 4 out of 33. Okay, so probability, you don't need to draw all the branches. You only need the key one will do. No need to do correction, Brandon? Okay, subsequently, I will give you 2024 paper. Then you all keep doing at the same time as we learn. Then you will get better. Okay? Silesh, you have the quiz?
Yeah.
Doing correction? Okay, next one. This one. Okay, listen. Shh. I have a total of n students. Okay, this is my total. And they say that I want to know how many students got at most 50. At most 50 means 50 marks or less. Okay, so that means this group of students. This is the group of students I want. This is at most 50. At most 50, So if I total these two up, is 25 out of my total n. Because at most 50 means 50 or less. Okay, and they say this fraction is actually 5/16. This is what the question tells me. So prove to me that n will be 80. So you go and cross multiply. Okay, so n will be 80 shown. Okay, so this one n is 80. They want you to show that it is true. Okay, now find the value of p. So that means 8 plus 17 plus 34 plus p plus 3 must give me 80 because that's the total. So p will give you 18. Okay, you use 80 minus the 8 minus 17 minus 34 minus 3, it should give you 18. Okay, this one is a giveaway. Okay, then how to calculate the mean marks? You need to find the mid value of all these x first. So 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. Then use your calculator. Make sure you have not forgotten how to use your calculator to find standard deviation and mean. Lend me one calculator. Is yours the same one?
Yeah, but I don't have to do it.
Okay, wait. But I need to show them the one. Okay, so first thing first.